After a year and a half of development, we are finally able to show you our new creation. For the first time, I will be stepping out of the Nissan for a full season. And as much as we love them, we are leaving the old chassis behind and stepping to the present. Let me introduce you our new 2024 World Drifting Toyota Supra. But let me start with our sponsors. Thanks to them, the whole team steps into the new era. Biggest thanks is to Budmat, also known as World House in USA, the manufacturer and one of the biggest innovators in metal roof technology. Budmat Steel, one of the leaders in manufacturing steel profiles and tubes on Polish market. Valino Tires, the overall best performance tires and rims on the grid. We are also proud to announce the new partner in our team, G2A, Gate to Adventure, the largest global marketplace for digital items and entertainment. Link ECU, ECUs, dashes, sensors, accessories and more. Also big thanks to our technical partners, Field Suspension, Arc Performance, OZ Parts providing us with extreme clutches, Weissfab and Samasor. And now I am able to show you the car in its full glance. As you can see from the outside, the whole body kit was custom made with excessive use of carbon Kevlar and carbon fiber. So the whole body is one-off for that car. And speaking about one-off, I'm especially proud about the hood, which we made custom for that car to emphasize the logo of our team. The body kit will be evolving. It's not its final shape, so stay tuned and observe its evolution. Here we got our well-known 2JZ 3-liter 6-cylinder dry-sump engine with fully forged bottom end and specially ported head. The design and internals of the head has enabled us to rev this up to 9,000 RPMs. The cherry on the top is direct port nitrous injection. In this year we are squeezing a bit more power thanks to a bigger turbo. Combined with nitrous we are talking close to 1100 horsepower. Moving towards the back, we got flywheel and clutch provided to us by Extreme Clutches and OZ Parts. The whole power goes then through sequential gearbox and aluminum drive shaft to the quick change differential, and after that we are stepping into the Weissfab territory when we got their half shafts and rear and front suspension. All of this is connected to the chassis by bespoke coilovers made and designed by Field Suspension. Further in the back we got the radiator with two independent fans and flexible rear end, which I mentioned before. Here, to make the interior a bit more alive, we got the red bucket seats, red anodized handbrake lever and steering wheel, which is connected to the steering rack from E90 BMW, supported by specially designed power steering pump. We got a few bits made out of carbon fiber, which in future we want to make even more everywhere inside this interior, so stay tuned and watch the further progress in making of this car, but as for now I'm really happy about how it turned out. The main features that I will be using are provided by Link ECU, and it is the 10-inch huge digital display dash, the keyboard, and of course the newest unit made by Link, the G5. And I have to tell you that the features and the modern solutions that this ECU is providing us is something that it's hard to explain for me, but I can tell you that Gello simply loves it, and if he loves it, I know that I will love it too. that's it, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am just to see and sit behind the steering wheel of this car. Also, I can't thank enough the crew from G Garage for putting together this beautiful machine. Also, Łukasz Kaliszewski, my spotter, sparring partner, and a friend who simply helped me adjusting the suspension and much more behind the scene adjustments. Also for the whole team and the crew who will support me during this season. Thank you guys in advance and fingers crossed for a good season. Now it's finally time to jump behind the steering wheel of that car and do some laps. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoy the walk around of our new 2024 World House Drift Team Toyota Supra. Please keep your fingers crossed for that construction during this season, and yeah, see you on the first round in Spain. Take care.